Hi everybody, this is Chef Rohan, and today we're gonna make some grilled octopus on the Pit Boss Navigator 850. The first part of the video is to show you how to clean that octopus. It's a 2 kilogram and 500 grams octopus. It's a very big one, so we have a lot of work to do before to be able to grill it. What is really important to know is that when you grill a fresh octopus like this, it can be really tough in mouth, and that's not what you want, of course. So I will show you how to prepare it to get the most of that octopus to get a really tender meat. Okay? So when you see that kind of octopus, you get three parts. The main part is the head, okay? Then you get the eyes, okay? And here under inside the octopus you get what we call it the beak. Then the beak is the place where the octopus feed itself. So we need to remove all those parts and clean those parts perfectly. Alright, the first part of the job is to cut the head, cut the eyes, okay, and remove the beak. Okay, so let's go. So I cut the head above the eyes. Okay. Then I remove the part with the eyes here. I can trash that. I don't need that anymore. Okay. And then I will remove the beak. So it's easy to remove it. Just have to press. Okay. I can crush those parts. This part here, the mouth of the octopus, you can remove it as well. So for the head, the first thing to do is to flip it the inside outside, okay? To empty all what's inside, we just need the muscle, the white muscle that you see here, and we will remove the skin as well. Okay, so we'll return it. Like a sock, okay. So we just want to keep the muscle. Nothing else. So now it's okay. We just have the muscle, nothing else. All right? Okay. If you get here in slices, we get some rings, and you can use those rings to make a salad or whatever you want. Okay. So now we will remove the skin. It's not easy to do because you have to catch it, and it's when the octopus is really fresh, it's very hard to remove it. So I can crush that part, clean my working surface. We also need to remove the skin on the tentacles, but we will not go to the end of the tentacles. Okay, we will just go to the first part, because on the last part you will see that when you grill it, the skin is really easy to remove and it gives a beautiful color. When you grill it, it becomes really red, burgundy, and so I rather let that, because if you want to remove all the skin, you will work for maybe 2 or 3 hours just to do that. Okay, so exactly the same way, we will just catch the skin here and pull on it to remove it. So now the octopus is clean and rinsed, so the next step is to bring a pot of water to a boil, okay, with maybe 200 grams of sea salt, coarse sea salt, and you can put some herbs like here if you want. The water needs to be hot but not really boiling, it's just simmering, okay. So I will add 2 handfuls of coarse sea salt. Okay, 2 bay leaves. For example, you can put what you want, but 2 bay leaves, and a half lemon, in water. Before to cook the octopus, we need to tenderize the meat, and for that there are many solutions. If you go to Greece, you will see the fishermen, they will beat the octopus on a rock with a big piece of wood. Okay, so the second solution, which is the best one and the easiest, is to freeze the octopus in your freezer for 48 hours. I know it's a very long preparation, and here for the video I don't have that time, so I will use my pastry roll, okay, to beat the octopus just before cooking. Okay. Now the idea is to create a thermal shock on the octopus, so we will plunge it 2 times 5 seconds in the simmering water. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we wait 10 seconds. Second time, 5 seconds. We remove it. And now we will cook it maybe for 40 minutes in the simmering water, okay, until the meat is soft, okay, and we will check that with the knife, the point of the knife. Okay, now to check if the octopus is cooked, I will just use the point of my knife, and yes, it's cooked, it's easy. Right now we will finish the marinade for the octopus. I put all the pieces in a Ziploc bag. I will add some olive oil, 6 garlic cloves that I will mince. Then I will add 2 or 3 jalapeno peppers slices, then some chili pepper seeds. Then I will add some lemon juice, some cilantro, and some rosemary. Okay, for the olive oil, I say maybe half of a cup. Let's say 1 cup. A half tablespoon of chili pepper seeds. Okay. The juice of a half lemon. Six garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of minced rosemary, and maybe 2 big tablespoons of minced cilantro. Alright, now we close the bag. Overnight is better, but once again I don't have the time tonight, so 2 or 3 hours will be okay. So you have seen that the preparation of the octopus is a long work, okay, but it's worth the pain. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you appreciate it. So please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.